the Lizama family, Mayor Bob and Auntie Francis for hosting us here this evening. Can you hear me in the back? Okay, very good. I'm Telena Nelson. I am a 3-term senator. I am a combat veteran, and I am senior field grade officer in the Guam National Guard. I am running for Congress. And the reason that I wanted to run for Congress was that I noticed that during the pandemic, there was a disconnect in what the people of Guam needed being represented here in Guam and that voice being carried to DC. Today, I want to be your voice. A little bit about me: I come from a long line of public servants. My families are educators, my grandparents are servants within the church and within the community, and they instilled in me this belief and this drive to put service before self. And so I'm here tonight to serve you. My platform, really quick, it's very simple. It's here to serve. And it starts with sustainability, education, federal resources, our veterans, and our economy. And all of those things we have done during our term in the legislature. We have worked with various activist groups to ensure that our sustainability and the development inside the fence is done responsibly and that our aquifer is protected, because we only have one aquifer, that's where we get our fresh water, and it's all in the north. For education, I work closely with our counselors, our teachers, and the Guam Department of Education, going to Congress, working with the United States Department of Education Secretary, moving to push Guam off of federal receivership in DOE. And so hopefully in the upcoming months we can see some fruit from that work. For leveraging our federal resources, we've advocated continually for veterans. We advocated for Medicaid to ensure that we receive the 85% matching that we had during COVID-19, and it has continued. For veterans, we've expanded the local Veteran Affairs office because we saw that there was a need for additional caseworkers for our veterans to move their disability benefits forward to seek medical health care. And we also saw the behavioral health wellness challenges within our veterans as far as PTSD and suicide ideation. So I worked very closely with my colleagues for the first time to expand the Guam Veteran Affairs Office to provide those services to our veterans here on Guam. And then in our economy, we have pushed legislation to fight for and advocate for unemployment insurance. We have a recent tax rebate bill out, hopefully that my colleagues will support. Senator Joseph Augustine has always been instrumental in helping me find the numbers. Everyone give a round of applause to Senator Joseph Augustine. He's the Office of Finance and Budget, so he's in charge of the government of Guam tax dollars. During the COVID-19 pandemic, hard choices had to be made. And it was very easy to criticize those choices and those decisions. But I believe that the governor and the lieutenant governor worked very hard to ensure the safety of our lives. And that comes with a leader. The leadership quality of the governor and the lieutenant governor surpasses any other previous governor and lieutenant governor in the island of Guam. Please give a round of applause to them. I just want to say a couple more things. And I want to also mention, and the reason why I say that their leadership surpasses, because no one has ever been a leader during a global pandemic. And it takes a real leader to stand by their choices and not run away from their choices, but to stand firm and say, no, we are doing this to protect the lives of our people. We're going to move Guam forward together, and we need another 4 more years. So please give them a round of applause, and please remember them in your vote.